Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. As promised, I told you I'm going to be discussing the Google Workspace, each and every app. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss about Gmail. Everyone in this day and age, they know very well that Gmail is one of the most important apps that you can have as a person. It helps you to create emails, send emails, and be able to speak to people, and it's quite amazing. So I'm going to show you what a Gmail account looks like, what it is, and how you can maneuver through it. Okay, so without saying so much, let's get right into the video. So the first thing that you need to do is make sure that you've created a Gmail account. If you don't know how to create a Gmail account, please comment down below and I'll be able to show you how to create a Gmail account. But I'm assuming at this point you already have a Gmail account. So this is how it looks like. So this is our Gmail account. When you come in, we have these three dots here, which is the main menu. The main menu is going to show you the inbox, start, snooze, sent, drafts, more, right? We have a lot more here. So this is the inbox. Inbox is where all your emails are going to be situated or are going to be located. The start, these are messages that they have come to your email address and you've decided to start them. And I'll show you how to start each and every one of them. Snooze, these are, it's like an alarm. When you snooze them, they'll come to you later on. That's what it means. Sent, these are emails sent out to people. So if you are sending out an email, you're sending out to people. I'll show you how to do that. But those are some of the videos that I'll be creating. So be sure to subscribe to this channel and watch to the end, or make sure that you follow the playlist that I'll be uploading later on. Drafts, these are emails that you started to write, but you didn't finish them up. So they are going to go into the draft mode until you finish them and send them, or send them out. That's when they'll be out. But for now, those are drafts. We have important. So once you have your emails, there are those emails that are very important to you. So I'll show you in the upcoming videos how to um make your emails that are important to you, how you're going to label them and make them look important in your inbox. Chats, these are, like, let's say you want to chat with somebody, they are going to be on the chat. Scheduled, these are emails that you've scheduled to send out to people. Let's say you've written an email, and I'm going to show you, of course, how to schedule an email, how to make sure that you send out that email. All mail, so now this comprises of all the mails that have come into your inbox. So you have all the mails. If you've not like created them in a way that you want, like these are in inbox, promotions, primary, social updates, they are going to be in all mail. Spam, these are emails sent to you and you don't want to, maybe they are promotions, or they are emails that you don't understand where they're coming from. These are called the spam email. They spam your email inbox. Then there's trash. Trash, of course, it's something that is not needed at the time. So that thing that you put, let's say those emails, you don't need them anymore and you've deleted them, they're going to go into the trash. Categories, this is how you categorize your email, how you want them to look like. When someone comes in, they are able to recognize that this email, you have put them into categories, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end. There's the managing of labels. This is now, once you've given them labels, you're going to create a label here, and once you've created a label, you're going to make sure that you manage it. So that's what it means. Then like you can see, this is my label here. So if I wanted to manage it, I can just manage it, and I'll show you how to do it in the next coming videos. So please be sure to watch it out. So now, as you can see, within the email, you can access so many apps. So you can access all the Google Workspace that I was telling you about in the first video. So how do you access it? You can access it through here. And there's another way also that you can access it. So we have more from Google. If you want to like do more, you can always do that. There's a lot more going on. But for now, we are not going to focus on that, okay? So let's just focus on here. So now that you've seen the main menu, what it is, this is here. This compose button is where you click and you start your message. So now you, let's say, put an email address of, someone that you want to send a message to. Then you're going to put your how to draft a message. You're going to put the subject, let's say, then you're going to come here, the body. So here you're going to write the body here. I hope this email finds you well. Da, da, da. Then once you're done with it, you're going to send, right? So before you send it, maybe you want to format this one. If you want to underline it, you can come here, change the font to either sans serif, this or that. So okay, let me just write something. Okay, so that we can be able to format it, and I'll show you what I mean. So now you're going to come here. You can change this to either narrow. You highlight it first, then you can change it to any font that you want. Based on the font that you choose, depending with the type of message you're sending out, it's gonna be changing like that. Then here, this is, you can choose either you want it to be huge. Make sure you always highlight it, so that it can change. So that's huge. If you want it to be large, or if you want it to be normal, or if you want it to be so small, right? You can choose anyhow that you want. Then here you can bold it, italize it, or underline it. Okay, then here you can choose the background color. Do you want it to be gray? That's how it will look like, which of course is not advisable. Don't do that. So you can just undo that. So if you undo, that's how it's going to look like. This is the undo button, this is the redo button. So if you do that, it's going to come like that. But if you undo, it's going to go back to normal. Then here, you can just do that. You make sure you choose the color that you want the text to be in. So it allows you to change the text to any color that you want. You just come here to the text color, change it to any color that you want. Now, this one is alignment. How do you want it to be aligned? So you can either choose it to be at the middle, left, or this one. So you can choose the way you want it to look like. Then there's numbering. So if you want to, let's say, number it, you can number it, or you can put this, you can send it to that indent or that one. So there's a lot more you can do with that. Okay, then when you come here, there's an attach. So this one is if you want to attach a file. Let's say you want to attach a file. Okay, we are going to choose one file. All right, there's something that I'm looking for. Shouldn't be too big. Yes, we're going to attach a file. Open it. So you can see we have attached a file right there. And then now, if you want to insert a link, so let's undo this first. Oh, let's not italize it. Undo, then let me make it a bit bigger. Large, so you can understand. So okay, ChatGPT. Make sure you have Grammarly. Okay. Just okay. These words are here because, I mean, it's showing these because it does not understand this language. So we are going to insert a link. So if you want to insert a link, you come here, you insert a link, you paste the link that you have, you put there, and then once you do that, it's going to take you to where you're supposed to put the link. So if you want to insert a link, you come like this, insert a link, put the link that you have here, and then that's how you're going to insert a link. Okay, Then here, these are emojis. If you want to insert an emoji, let's say, okay, depending with who you're doing it with, okay, you can just do that, add, and that's an emoji. This one is if you want to insert document from your Google Drive, which I'm going to show you in my next video how to use Google Drive. So you're going to just come here, and then you're going to insert, maybe, okay, let's use this. You're going to insert it, and then it's gonna show up here. So that's how you insert a link, I mean a document from the Google Drive. Here, this is if you want to insert a photo. You want to have a photo, you can select from your device. You choose maybe which photo you want to do. Okay, let's just do this. You insert it, then it uploads. Once it uploads, it's gonna come here, and it's inserted, right? Here, this one is if you want to do a confidential mode. So you're going to either someone, if they want to work for it, they are going to either you either know SMS passcode or SMS passcode, which for me, I don't use it. So yeah. Then this one is for inserting a signature. So here you're going to come manage your signatures if you don't have a signature. So if you want to manage your signature, you're going to come to the settings, and then you're going to come to the side here. You're going to insert, but this one I'll teach you in broad how to insert a what I'll teach you how to insert this. So for today's video, I just wanted to show you how to use Gmail. So let's just go back, and I'll teach you in the next video. Okay, so now you compost your email. There's a label. If you want to label it, if you want to star, you can star it. Then if you want to print, you can print it, plain text, label. Of course, I'm going to show you like in a few minutes. Then you can either add a Google Meet time that you want it to be. You can create an event right here, which of course I'm going to show you in my next video. So please make sure to subscribe. I'm begging you. Then once you're done with it, you click here and you send. But if you do not want to send, just, delete it. Right? So now we've deleted it. As you can see, it's done. So now let me show you. This is how the email looks like. This is the inbox. This is the promotions. If there's any promotions, they're gonna come here. Social, it's gonna come here. Updates, it's gonna come here. Then here, this right here is English. You can choose from this one, which one do you want, right? So you can choose the one that you want. It's gonna show you all of these. Okay, then these ones, of course, these are settings which you can apply to your how you want your email to look like. We have a lot of settings which I'm going to discuss in my next video, so be sure to watch it out. I'm going to show you how to create all of these. Okay, then here, if you want support, like, do you want support on email, you can ask a question here. They're going to get feedback. They're going to let you know what it is that you want. This bar right here is for searching. Let's say you don't want to like look for emails. You don't want to go through, you have a lot of emails. So you don't want to go through all of them, surfing through them. You just come here and look maybe from the last 7 days, or from me, or from has attachment, or you just type in the name. Maybe you type in the name, it's gonna show up all these names, and you're going to choose the email that you want. Okay, so now right here, this is a calendar. This is a keep. This is for keeping the notes. You want to take a note, you can take a note here. You can write here your notes, and then once you've written them, you'll just say done. It's gonna come here, and you can pin it, or you can just archive, delete, or you can open it. Once you're done, you close it up. This one is for tasks. So these are tasks. Maybe you want to do a task. So you add a task. What else do you want to do? Okay. You write it. You go to the details. You write the details. You put the date and time. You choose which time do you want to do. But this one, I'll discuss them later detail. in detail. Then once you do, you set the time that you want it to be on, then you can either put it on repeat or just once, then you click OK. Your task is added. Then here we have the contacts. This is where I told you where you input your contacts, or you can add some other things here if you want to. Okay, yeah. So now let's go to this is just an icon. This is your icon, how it looks like. Okay, so yeah, then now I think we are done. This is just, I told you, is an interface of what is going on, and all of this I'm going to discuss them in detail. So be sure to subscribe to this channel and you'll be able to see everything that I'll be doing. Okay, and I'll show you how to create labels and everything, so be sure to check it out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Put them in the comment section and I'll get back to you with a video, or I'll just answer you in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching. With that being said, bye bye for now.